Hello and welcome to this episode of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at a set of fully trimmed seats for the Jaguar C-Type. Now the C-Type was the competition, that's what the C stands for, version of the Jaguar XK120, and it famously entered to Le Mans 24 Hour for the first time in 1951 and won, raising a few eyebrows I'm sure. And what we've got here is a customer's rebuilding a replica version of these, and he's had some seat frames made, sent them to us, and then we've worked closely with the customer looking at online forums and photos, etc., both of restored versions of these done by the Jaguar production line, but also sort of original photos from the era to work out the design of them, and then we've made them to that spec. They've been done in new tan, and it's been done in smooth leather. As you can see here, everything leather apart from the piping, which is the Leathercloth, as we always try and do. You can see here, and then the backs, actually it's worth noting, we've used Moquette, which is the thin wool, high quality wool, sort of unbacked carpet material that Jaguar originally used during this era for the backs of the seats of the XK range, the early E-types, Mark IIs, etc. So certainly not out of place on the backs of seats. Strictly speaking, from what we found online, I don't think these C-types actually left with Moquette on the back of the seats, but after numerous conversations with our customer, we decided we were going to go with the Moquette on there at our customer's request, and it looks very, very nice. Bear that in mind. So yeah, what we've got here is a pair of the seats. Now those keen-eyed will actually see that there is a difference in the seat frames. One on the right here is wider and that's narrower. That was apparently original for the C-types, so bear that in mind. We've obviously made patterns accordingly to fit for both the narrow and the wider versions. The cushion here, much like the bucket seats on the XKs, does pull out. I'm going to struggle with one hand to do it without tipping the frames, but that's why I've got the leather tab on there, so they do pull out there. So all in all, lovely set of seats. Really looking forward to seeing how these look when they're in a car. Obviously the C-types really didn't have much in the way of interior trim. Competition racers didn't, obviously trying to keep the weight down, so the seats are more prevalent than most in a C-type, because it's really the only bits of sort of material that are obvious. You get a bit of material over the gearbox tunnel, but that was about it. Those in the seats. So really excited to see how these look when they're in a car. Luckily the customer of ours is fairly local to us, so hopefully he'll drive down in the car when it's all said and done. But yeah, just showing you another string to our bow of what we can offer. It's not strictly something that we advertise that we can do, but this was a returning customer. He's got a couple of Jags. We did the interior for his 140, and so he came straight back to us for the C-type when the 140 was done. And yeah, results are lovely. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts. Add any comments you'd like at the bottom. Always happy to help. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.